Hey there! If you're getting the Invalid Drive error when trying to install a game from Epic Games, don't worry. I'm going to show you a few simple ways to fix it. Let's go through them step by step. First, the most common reason for this error is that the drive letter you're trying to install the game to no longer exist or was changed. So let's check that first. Go to File Explorer and click on this PC. Make sure the drive you're trying to install to, like D or E, is actually listed here. If it's not, the Epic Games launcher might be trying to use an old path. Now, open the Epic Games launcher, go to Settings, scroll down, and click on Edit Vault Cache Location. Here, choose a valid drive, like C or any other one you know exists, and create a new folder like Epic Games Install. Hit Confirm. If that doesn't work, we can fix the issue using the Windows Registry. This one's a bit advanced, so follow along carefully. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, and hit Enter. In the Registry Editor, go to Copy Edit, HKE, I'll Local Machine in Software, Microsoft Windows Zort Current Version. Look for a key called Profile List or Program Files Dir that points to the wrong or invalid drive. If you see anything pointing to, say, Z, or an old drive letter that's no longer valid, you can change it to a valid one like C. Important: be careful editing the registry. Only change what you're sure about. Once you've updated that, restart your computer and try the installation again. And that should fix the Invalid Drive error. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more PC fixes, and don't forget to ring that bell. Got any issues? Drop them in the comments, and I'll try to help you out.